This is still sitting here. It's been a couple of weeks since I came here. Hot Rod City. The caddy's still here. They've been rolling it around, I can see. Yeah, they're rewiring the whole thing. They had to have a harness built identical to where it was back when it was factory. You don't even want to know how much it cost just to have the harness built. Oh, that Camaro, I don't think I've seen that before. Wow. That's a nice one. Whew. Gorgeous. Like it come out of the factory. Oh, the Firebird's covered up. Nova's still here. Oh, that's going to be here for a little while. I don't know if they have had the engine in the last time I was here. I always joked to them. I said, I'd like to get a set of those tires so I can do a good burnout. Cab over's up. Oh, the engine's in. Boy, that thing's gonna be gorgeous. Wow. This Buick wasn't here before. He must be doing something on it. He brings in a lot of cars to do like small projects, whether it's wiring or, and then he does complete restorations. I see they put padding on those two fins so someone doesn't get killed on them. A gourd. The truck's still here. This thing's unreal. Got a blown coyote in it. I haven't seen this Corvette before. Whew. But that's nice too. That thing's gorgeous.
The headlight, fucking hell, big engine. Yeah.
It's got a coyote in it. They put a coyote in this thing. Unbelievable. Unreal. That motor and transmission, you're talking, I don't know, 23,000, maybe more. I'm guessing it's probably more than that now. Unreal. Between the engine and tranny. Here's the burnout tires. I guess this thing's gonna be jacked up pretty high the way it looks. Boy, that's a nice 67. Here's a project. You won't be next week, though.
That's right.
I get my shadow out of it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I thought I made a killing. That Camaro's new. I haven't seen that
I know,
here.
that's really nice.
Yeah, I see. I made a joke. They covered the spears so you don't get gored on this thing.
Oh, I know. Yeah, beautiful that car is.
Oh, I know. Yeah, this thing's going to be gorgeous when it's done. Look at that dash. International. Here's Bambi's car. Nice T-Bird. Good, how you doing? Looking good. Thank you. I've never seen this Chevy. Well, it's nice. Got an LS in it. Very nice. There's HRBs. L82 vet. A Mustang too. I swear to God, there must be a million hot rods with this front end in it. Most used front end on the market, Mustang too. Old F85. Nissan.
Yeah.
That's a good looking Mustang. There's George's pickup. There's Jim's sled. Good looking car. I just might paying attention. You got dual quads in this thing. Here's my brother's truck. This has been done for a lot of years. Still looks good. He bought it brand new. I think it was green when it was new. A Roadrunner. Here's John Boulard's. With the Syracuse with us. Not in this though. Wait a minute. Yes, he did. What am I saying? starting to lose my mind. He took this. He wasn't going to bring it, but he got it fixed in time. Nice 57 post. He's also got a nice Model A. The taxi, right-hand drive. Nice little Dart. Here's Preston. Still looks good. Here's Stuart Preston's dad. He's had this thing for a lot of years. How long have you had this? I've had this. Neat little LS powered Chevy. It's got them new rally wheels that you can buy I like the old ones, but they're new. They can get them all the way to 20s, 22s. I like it. That's nice. Body looks solid. And I'm repeating myself, but that's what I had ordered back in 1970, 383, which is rare today. You don't see many of them. You see 440s and. I ordered a plum crazy one like this back in 70. Parking garage there. Oh no, there wasn't. Anybody want a taxi? No, he's modernized it. It's got a new steering column. That's neat. Oh, it's got a Ford. That's nice. Flat black. It says Cobra on the dash. It's got the Cobra in the grill. Hey, two of them. Yeah, he's got the rally headlights on it. That's what 740 horse sounds like without nitrous. It's got the nitrous too. See if he gets on it. There's the Mr. and Mrs. leaving. See you later.
bring Model A that could.
Okay. That's a good looking pro-streeted truck. Pro-streeted. Nice.
Billy, you might want to know it on camera that. I don't have a video of me doing the grind. The closest I we got it was on
I was getting an LS with a blower. A blown LS.
I want to make power on it.
Yeah.
It's been my whole life savings.
That's a nice CUDA. Got a 340 in it. Yeah, this is a beauty.